We are currently on one of our projects out in Hilliard at Hayden Run Metro Park. We are out here working on a pollinator project for AEP in one of their transmission right-of-ways. The goal of this project was there was a bunch of material left over from a bunch of invasive species that got removed. To try to create a better habitat, we are basically putting in a pollinator habitat. This project will be several weeks with 1 to 2 crews working. The first process was we came in here after another company had removed a bunch of the invasives, and there was basically a bunch of chaff left over. So we started the process by raking and gathering up all the chaff and removing all that. And then we hauled topsoil in and graded it all out. Then we seeded the ground and laid straw on top. Basically, the chaff was too thick to where you would never get any seed to soil contact, so we needed to remove all that woody debris to make a good seed bed and to have exposed nice topsoil for germination. So the straw is there to act as a barrier for moisture to help germination of the seed. So one of the biggest challenges is just keeping the bike path open to the public, and the way we've overcome that is just utilizing spotters and putting signage and kind of stopping work while people go by the work zone. One of the biggest things is just to see it be kind of like a landscape desert, if you will, and what it's going to turn out to be is pretty interesting. I'd definitely like to give a big shout out to everybody that's been involved and all the moving parts that have been involved with the project. It's been a challenge for sure.